channel. Drink driving. That's what it says. Drink driving.
Drink driving, that means,
He's drunk, but he's driving.
Yeah. I told you to not speak good. No, I love you too. I love you. It's a police. It's a police. Wait. It's a police. Put down the bill. Wait. Just ignore. Just ignore. Like his nose to him.
Knock. Sir. Wind your window down. I can't hear you. Wind your window down. I said I can't hear you. What's your name?
Pharmacy Maswao. Because it's getting cold and you want me to wear pullover.
You ran a red light back there.
I couldn't even run a green light.
And I'll follow. I followed you up the road, and you made a U-turn on a double yellow line, and that is illegal.
So what is illegal?
U-turn.
Oh, okay. Can I just please clear this up, please?
Yes.
So after I turn,
Yes.
you turn.
Yes.
So that is illegal. And if I was you, I will write myself a ticket. And then I'll just go home and think about what you did tonight.
And when you made that U-turn, you did not use your indicator.
Just because my indicator is not working.
Your indicator?
Yes, it's broken.
Like your English?
Thank you very much. The teacher always said to me, practice makes perfect.
That's perfect.
I couldn't have said it any better.
So your indicator, what are you going to do about your indicator?
When you saw me,
Yes.
I was trying to turn to go to the mechanical to fix it up my indicators. But lucky for me, I'm a law-abiding citizen, and I know my rule, my road code. When I need to turn right, I put my window down, and I just put my right hand out of the face. When I need to turn left, I put my window down, and I come like this. But lucky for me, I got my wife, and my wife, she's a very good indicator. Yeah, she always indicates like what I'm doing wrong.
So, can I see your license?
She hasn't got a license.
But she's not driving.
Why are you not driving?
So, Are you saying you haven't got a license either, are you?
No, I am got a license.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's in my car. It's in my car.
Okay,
Yeah.
so whose car is this?
You don't know him.
What's his name?
You still wouldn't know him.
I need to know who owns this vehicle so I can find out whether you have it legally or not.
It's my father-in-law's car.
Okay.
Yeah.
And his name is?
Yoani.
Okay. Can you spell that for me?
Capital I for I Spy. O for Ocean. A for Angel. N for Nugget. And E for Idiot. E for Idiot.
Okay. And what's his last name?
It's still the same name.
I mean, what's his surname?
Sir Yoani. Yep.
Sir, have you been drinking?
She's been drinking more than I am.
Okay, thank you very much. I need you to breathe into this. Count to 10.
Can I count in Maori?
You can count in whatever language you want as long as it's up to 10.
Yeah. Tahi, lua, toru, wha, rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa. Takao! Takao!
Don't go into it. Stay there. Stay there.
What? I didn't say you're the cow. What do you mean? No, look, we are parked right next to the farm. There's pigs over there, horse, chicken. What do you mean, where's the cow? I don't know, maybe it jump over the moon. Jump over the moon, yeah. And then land into my car.
A big thank you to our 500 followers. I appreciate each and every one of you for your support. Stay tuned for more content coming soon. Stay safe and God bless.
Like and subscribe.